Hi guys, after waiting so long, my iPad finally came in the mail. This is the iPad Pro. I'm so excited for it. Look how beautiful it is. So let's get right into unboxing it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I got the silver one. Wow, okay. Wow. Okay. That's beautiful. This is very large. I got the 12.9, so it's pretty much the same size as my MacBook Pro. Oh my gosh. I never know. Do you have to wait for it to come back to English? It's just so mesmerizing. Hello. Oh, I guess you don't. Okay, I'll be back. So I just finished setting it up. I didn't connect with anything. So here's my apps. I'm gonna go buy Procreate. It's on 93% battery, which normally it's on like 30 or half. So I'm super excited. I love the way it looks. Oh, it has iOS 14. My phone still doesn't have iOS 14. And I wanted to bring my other iPad just to compare. I have the iPhone XR. This is the newest iPad for 2020. And then this iPad was 2014 iPad Air that my mom got me. So it's just crazy how different they are. I love this sucker. It still works pretty good. But I wanted this one for digital purposes. So I think I'm in love with it. I love it so much, and I can't wait for my accessories to come in. Now let's see what came in the box. So this is the instruction. Oh wow. Here is the plug. Very different than my last one, which I got like almost 7 years ago. And here's the new cord that has this plug and not the USB. And that's it. I wish it came with headphones. Before, I'll just put this back in for now. before my mom purchased this, there was a sale where you could get AirPods for free and you could upgrade to Pros. But unfortunately, that sale has passed by the time my mom purchased it for me for Christmas. But I already have knockoff AirPods, so it's okay. But this is what the back looks like. Super pretty. It has the 3 camera thing. I just got my first fingerprint. Let's try this for a second. I think you were zoomed in. This is a very non-tech review. I have the products I have, and I know that they work well. But so that's what the front looks like, and then there's the back with the 3. You still can't see on this camera setting. The 3 lens. I am so excited to get the case in the mail. I will not be carrying this around from room to room, but I'm absolutely in love with this, and I'm so happy I got it. I'm just gonna put this back in the box for now. So yes, this is my unboxing of the newest iPad Pro. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I will be doing a iPad Pro customization video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!